Asda here. Welcome to the review.
And what we're reviewing today?
We're reviewing my train.
You got a train set?
Yeah.
Choo choo.
How, choo choo.
How about that you? So let's talk about your train set then. It's a very big one, isn't it? Wow.
Not like the one in my birthday.
What's that train called?
What
is it?
Classic train depot.
Yeah, but what is it? What sort of train is it? What type of train?
Freight train.
Is it a freight train, is it? Are you sure? Not a steam train?
I think it is a steam train.
Yes.
Do you know, Daddy?
Yes.
That when you put it on and it moves,
Yeah.
it can blow steam out.
It does blow steam out. Hold it up, let's have a look so the children can look. Okay, so hold it right close to the screen.
But I think it's broken.
Closer.
I tried to get the coal tender to connect to it to throw more
Okay, so that's...
more coal in it, but I got skanked because there's more going in
So
it.
there's a train, and these wheels move?
Yeah.
Is it battery operated?
The battery operated.
So there's got a lever there for on, go,
On. Go, stop and back. So
Go,
it can
stop, back.
so it can stop in the middle,
So this can stop and it can go.
go back.
And so it's made out of metal,
No, it's not. It's made out of.
not metal, plastic, die-cast plastic.
But I think some
Parts are metal, some parts plastic. You're going to get the other parts out then?
Yeah.
What's this part?
We'll start with the coal tender because that's it.
The coal tender part. So if you look here,
And it hooks on.
that bit there,
Hooks
hooks on. Let's have a look.
And same as carriages.
Hooks on. So that's the coal tender part, is it? So
Coal tender gets the. This is the bit where I tried to shove the hole from the coal tender in there, but I got skanked because it foiled.
Okay, so basically, if you speak slower, what did you say?
Before I was trying to get the coal into the train from here into there, but I got skanked.
Oh, right. So basically, because it's a steam train, it's powered by coal, and you get the coal from there and you put it in the fire for the steam in here,
Well, I got skanked.
and then that keeps that fuels the train. Okay, so that's why it's called a steam engine runs mostly by coal. What's this one?
No, this is the caboose.
What's this?
This is the wooden part of. This is wood. This is just a carriage.
Yeah, so this carries what? Wood, planks of wood, trees.
Tree chunks.
Yeah, it carries tree chunks. So hold it up to the screen. So what would happen
on
is...
the other side it says train, and it has a danger sign so watch out.
So basically then, attached to the train would be the coal part because it's closest, and then the next will be the wood.
I'll show you how that connects.
Show them on here.
This. You see that hook there?
Yeah.
And this.
Yeah.
I'll get this. Well, I need to put it down somewhere.
Hold it. Hold it up high.
And I need to. I just hook it
So they hook.
into there, and then that
hooks on there.
And then that hooks onto.
So it's like a double hook. There.
So it's like a. But those bits, these two bits don't connect together.
Okay. So then now.
You can also use pipe cleaners to connect them together because you can use a pipe cleaner to turn it around there and then turn it around that way.
Okay. So what about this part?
The caboose.
The caboose. Hold it up. The caboose. What about it? What happens with that? What's it called? A caboose. What's the caboose called?
It's the carriage where that long head goes on top.
So that goes on top. Show it up there.
We're trying to put it on. This bit keeps falling off and coming back off again.
Show it to them there. So that's the lid. So what's that, a carriage?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's where people would sit, or?
Yeah, but there's no seats inside there.
No, there's no seats in there. Okay, so, and what's these? What's these?
Sorry.
What are these?
These tracks.
Oh, so the train tracks. So we don't have to get them all out, but we can show them. We don't have to get them all out.
I'm just going to take the one where it switches. Oh wait, it's not there. To the right one.
Oh, so that's where the train switches over.
So I'll tell you where it switches.
Where?
You just turn that and it switches.
Show them then on there. You can't show me. Show them. Go on then, show them then.
Just turn this. lever.
Yeah.
And it keeps, when you put the train...
When the train's moving, you just move...
I'll make this as a try instead. And see, I'll show you.
Yeah. And then it switches the train. So it basically switches the track. Okay?
Put it down there a minute so everyone can see it.
They won't be able to see it from down there. Okay, so we're going to say bye then to everybody.
Bye!
Make sure you're training.
Bye! Please subscribe to our channel and please make a comment on the comment box below. Thanks for watching, Lad and Dad as well. Bye!